This is Erik for Bluewater Superyacht Bridge Services. Today I'm joined by the core of our chart correction team, Dannie and Fransisco. Together they have over 20 years combined chart correcting experience. In the spring of this year alone, they meticulously did over 17,000 hand-done chart corrections to ensure that your charts are up to date and as accurate as possible. Remember, you may have to read and understand corrections under a dim red light in the teeth of a force 10 storm. Your life and others could depend upon it. It's important that you take the task of chart correction seriously and that the highest standards be maintained. Positions must be exact, depths and symbols must be clear, and legends and descriptions must be readable. So when a boat brings us charts, you guys run the charts through a proprietary analysis tool that'll let us know how many corrections and how many new charts need to be issued. After that, we'll email the boat a quote and let them know exactly how many new charts and how many corrections need to be made.
But don't forget to contact us back so we can start the process.
Yes.
So Dannie and Fransisco, what do you think is some really important information that people should know when they bring us their charts to get corrected?
Well, if they have over 6 corrections, we will give them a new chart.
Okay.
We need at least 3 weeks in advance in order for us to work on your folios and charts.
Yeah, that's really important. We do fill up pretty quickly during the high season. We're also understanding that yachts sometimes change plans last minute. You know, give us a call and we will do our best to accommodate you. So aside from the pen, what other instruments and supplies would you guys recommend vessels use when correcting charts on board?
Well, we actually have a chart correcting kit that we sell here with all the necessary equipment that you need to correct with, from the chart correcting pen to the template.
I know this is the time of year where a lot of boats are in a transition period, whether they're coming from the East Coast or the Med and gearing up for the Caribbean season. What would you guys recommend that they do with the charts that they're not going to be using?
They can bring the chart to us. We provide storage.
So like I mentioned before, our schedule fills up pretty quick this time of the year. So make sure you get on our schedule as soon as possible. As always, you can give us a call or email largeyacht@bluewaterweb.
Actually, we have our own,
This is cool. Just
well, actually, we carry our own chart correcting kit here that includes...
I laugh. You can keep, yeah.
We actually, I don't like to actually thing.
Then don't say it.
So
Well, we actually, why do I want to put actually now?
I don't know, but if you want to, just do it.
Well, we carry a chart correcting kit here. I don't really like it. Why do I have to say it? Can he say it?